and apartment buildings and government offices. There were many more apartment buildings than I had seen in the Soviet Union. The new planetarium was open. It has become a popular place for visitors to its observatory and exhibition hall. Construction was going on everywhere. It was mostly hand labor. Manpower is Communist China's greatest resource. Colorful fabrics in a Peking textile factory. One of 3 in Peking, this modern plant employs many women. 3 7.5-hour shifts daily keep the plant at peak capacity. This was the factory canteen. These girls lived in dormitory rooms nearby. Women get 45 minutes a day away from work to nurse their babies. A new maternity hospital. Part of it is still under construction. Most of Communist China's workers and government employees come under an extensive socialized medical program. A clinic provides on-the-job care. I visited a worker's family in one of the apartments near the factory. 5 people occupied a small apartment for which they paid about $1.20 a month rent. Kitchen facilities in a courtyard. The main hall of the agricultural exhibition. Open May 1st to display machines and implements China is making for the leap forward. A display of fabrics for export. Visitors arrive from the provinces, 500 at a time, for a week's tour. 500,000 have visited the fair since it opened. This was a new rice transplanter. They had more than 30,000 different implements, from the crudest hand sickle to this giant combine. They had more than 170 different types of tractors: steam, coal burning, gasoline, diesel. They claim to have built many in the last 5 months. Cars of widely varying designs. Turbines of all types were on display. Locomotives for China's new railroads. This was the only steam shovel I saw in China. But this was only the beginning, they said. The leap forward was only the first step toward China's advanced economic progress. An exhibition of irrigation machinery ranged from steam power to small gasoline motors, even foot and hand treadle. A solar cooker. It was a featured exhibit. Outside the fairgrounds there was a pool. Here, watched by their waiting elders, children played. Goldfish in the pools of the Summer Palace, a reminder of China's past. Once, these grounds were the private preserve of an empress's pleasure-loving court. She spent part of a naval budget on this marble boat. Under the communist regime,